that we learned today. Okay. So let me share the material that we are going to learn today. Okay, today we're still doing the chapter 1. Okay, hopefully we can finish today so that way following week you guys can learn something new. Okay, but I hope you guys can understand first. I'm gonna try to make sure you guys understand first everything in this chapter before we move on. Okay, so let's do the role play, guys. And I am going to need some volunteers to do the conversation as Mary and Anne. All right, so I'm going to give you the dialogue parts for each of you. Please remember, okay? Because I don't, I won't be able to recall who's getting which dialogue, okay? So let me see first, okay? This is the first, we're gonna do the first page first, okay? First page is going to be until Mary's dialogue number 8, okay? Okay, let's see. So I'm going to have Anne's dialect number 1 and number 2 will be for Juni. And then let's have Hugo. Hugo, you're doing Mary's dialect number 1 and number 2. Okay. And then I'll continue with Anne's number 3 and 4 for Windy. Mary's 3 and 4 for Mr. Amin. Anne's 5, 6. Shirley. Mary's 5, 6. Friska. And then Anne's 7, 8. Dini. Mary 7, 8 for Yuki. Okay. I'm going to unmute you guys. Please, no background sounds. Okay, that way our other friends can hear the way you pronounce it and also the intonation, so we can learn from each other. Okay. And then once you're done doing the conversation, please unmute yourself again. That way you can have your background sound again or anything. Okay. All right. Dini, I'm going to unmute you. Okay. Shirley already. Okay. Give me one. Juni. Hugo.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening, guys.
Good evening.
How's your day today?
Fine.
Full
Miss,
housework.
Miss, I'm number 6, yeah.
Oh my God.
Amin.
Okay, Mr.
I
Amin.
think
Let me see. Let me see. 2, 4. No, you are doing Mary's dialect number 3 and 4.
4, okay.
Yes. This is one sec. Let me see. Okay, let's see. Juni is gonna be Anne's 1 and 2. Hugo, Mary's 1 and 2. Windy's Anne's 3 and 4. Mr. Amin, Mary's 3 and 4, and so on. Okay, guys, please remember.
Okay.
Okay, this I'm going to unmute Dini. Oh, okay, there you go. And then Yuki. Okay, please focus on the intonation and remember the pronunciation, of course. Yes, pronunciation and then intonation. Okay, please try to challenge yourself. Challenge yourself as if you are doing a drama. We're doing a drama like that, and then of course drama you're gonna face each other, so you're gonna have the like a intonation differently. Okay.
Yes.
All right, guys, let's do this. Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Go ahead.
Oh, it feels so cold this morning.
It sure is. Early this morning, my car's windshield was covered with frost. I had to spray it with water before I could head to school.
Who would have thought it could be this cold in early December, especially in California?
I know, the temperature was 35 degrees Fahrenheit when I woke up this morning. I was freezing as soon as I got out of bed, but cold weather just hit me so fast.
I cannot remember when it was this cold in early December.
Brace yourself for the rain this afternoon. Cold and wet, yeah.
It is going to rain this afternoon.
Not only this afternoon, but also the rest of the week.
Oh, it is going to be miserable. I have a full class scheduled today and tomorrow. To walk from class to class, I will have to juggle my books and my umbrella, trying not to get wet.
You carry too many books. Why don't you leave some of them in your locker?
My locker is a long way from my English classes. This is the reason why I carry all my books with me. Is it going to rain hard or just drizzle?
The news said that it would start to drizzle around noon, and then it would rain really hard by 3 o'clock.
No hope for better weather this week?
There is a slim chance of sunshine by Saturday. However, it will be foggy, windy, and rainy before the sun comes out this weekend.
Okay, Dini?
I am glad that it rains even though I do not like rainy weather. We have a very dry season for so far this year.
Yes, I can hardly remember when it rained last time. Well, as long as there is no thunder or lightning, I can bear it.
All right, guys. So let's continue first, okay, with the rest of the conversation, and then I'll have a review on the pronunciation and so on. And okay, let's have okay. We have until 14, 9. Okay, 9 ends 9, 10. I'll have ends 9 and 10 for Miss Lily, and then Mary's 9, 10 for Jennifer, and then ends 11, 12 for Sumarti. Okay, 11, 12 ends 11, 12 for Sumarti. Mary, okay, Mary 11, 12. Okay, I need 3 more. Okay, that's Dini, huh? Okay. Okay, Mary 11, 4. Okay, sorry. Mary's 11 and 12. Mary's dialect number 11 and 12 for Angelina. Okay, and then ends 13, 14 for Grace. And then Mary's 13, 14. Okay, last one, anybody? Mary's 11, 14. I'll give it to Dini. Okay. All right, let's see. Have Sumarti, Dini, Angelina, Grace, and then Jennifer, And Lily. Okay, Jennifer. Oh, sorry, Jennifer. Okay, let's see. Jennifer. Okay, let's see. Let's mute. Mute. Last one, Grace. I'm going to unmute you, okay? Let's approve it. Okay, there you go. Let me pull this out so you can start. Okay, give me 1 sec. Okay, there you go. Ants 9 and 10. Okay. All right, you guys can start.
We rarely have thunder or lightning in California.
We are very lucky that California has one of the best weather conditions in America. When it's hot, it's not humid. When it rains, there is no thunder or lightning. And the cold weather during the winter season is quite mild compared to the weather of the other states.
Yes, we are lucky. However, sometimes when I look at the Christmas pictures, I just wish we had some snow. It's so pretty when everything is covered by a blanket of pure white snow.
Living in Southern California all my life, I have never seen snow. I wouldn't mind playing in the snow once in a while.
Yes, it would be fun to make a snowman or go skiing.
We have never seen snow. We have never made a snowman. And we have never gone skiing. We better do something about it.
Maybe this is number 12. Maybe we should plan a trip to Aspen, Colorado during winter break. I heard that the skiing season is fantastic up there.
I don't think we can afford a trip to Aspen. It's very expensive up there.
I'm just wishing I will be doing during winter break. I will be working very hard to save money for a new car.
With the cars that we drive, it's better that we live in a place where there is no snow.
You are right. We are better off with no snow. Okay, I have class right now. See you later in the library.
See you later.
Right. Okay, guys. Excellent. So let me pull up let's go back to the very first one. Just Lolo, okay. Number 5. Ants dialect number 5, okay. Oh, it is going to be miserable. Miserable, okay. Miserable, okay. No, okay. I heard earlier. Okay, I cannot remember how you guys one of you guys pronounced that miserable, but it's pronounced as miserable. Okay, it's going to be miserable. So miserable. So it's the e is silent. Okay, so that's why I say miserable. Okay, that's number 1, the 5A, and then I will also still for ants dialect number 5. I will have to juggle, no jungle. Jungle and juggle is two different words, okay? Now jungle that's the woods, okay, where the trees are, okay? Jadi jungle itu kan hutannya. Now juggle means you have to switch over all the time, juggle the books and then with the umbrella like that in between your hands, okay? That's juggle, okay? juggle. Now I have Mary's dialect number 5. Mary's dialect number 5. Oh, okay. Hold on. Bear. I can bear. Okay, there's not 5. Okay. I wrote a wrong number. Not for the, but it's the word is bear. I can bear it. Oh, number 8 actually. Mary's dialogue number 8. I can bear, B-E-R, bear. Bear as a bear. I mean a bear, the animal. Or but here it's not bear the animal because here is like bear. I can bear it. Saya bisa saya atasi gitu. Maksudnya dalam bahasa Indonesia ya. But the bear, the word bear still pronounced the same. Okay, bear, like that. Okay, I can bear it. Okay, that's not number 8 for Mary's, and then I have ants number 9. Lightning. We rarely have thunder or lightning in California. No lightning, it's lightning. Because there's after T there is no I, so it's lightning. Okay, that's the lightning is itu kilat ya. Thunder itu guntur dan kilat. Okay. Now we have Mary's dialect number 9. Okay, remember guys, it says here, when it is hot, I know you guys understand that the short way of it is it's. But remember, we read as it's written. Okay, so when it's written as it is, we read as it is. When it's written as it, we read as it's. Okay, pay attention to that. Okay, when you have the reading lesson, reading a test like that, that's gonna be a minus there already. All right, so pay attention to that. It is really tricky. And then number 9, still number 9 for Mary's dialect number 9. Okay, dears, for the word, the other states. Okay, states here, states has different meanings, okay? In this particular sentence here, okay, the cold weather during the winter season is quite mild compared to the weather of the other states. Here, states is negara bagian, ya. Okay, and there's another state. State is a verb. Okay, now but both of them still pronounce the same. Okay, states, stated. Okay, same. Okay, now Mary's dialect number 11. Okay, here also. Okay. Now I believe you guys understand. It would, and then it would be fun. Okay, so it would be fun. Okay, that's how they pronounce would. And then number 13A. 13N. N's dialect number 13. Working. Mr. Mary's diamond number. Okay, I will be working very hard to save money for a new car. Work, this is work, no work, okay? It's work. With the K, we have the phonics k, work, okay? Working. Okay, so that's how you pronounce working. And there's another word. People most of the time confuse working and walking. Okay, there's two different two different words. Okay, working, walking. Okay, satu bekerja, yang satunya berjalan. Okay, kind of rhymes like that. Okay, now we have Yes, that's it. You guys doing good. Okay. Other than that, you guys are excellent. A lot of improvement on the intonation. Okay. But I know you guys can do better than that. Okay. And then let's see on the following chapter. Okay. Then you guys should, I believe, you be better than that. You have the capability to be more than what you already show. Okay, so just challenge yourself. Okay, all right guys, so last week we already finished the explanation about nouns. Okay, we answer here, or okay, let me see. Okay, it's a different, let me share this. Okay, there you go. So we did some exercise also. Okay, let me see. Okay. Give me 1 second. So we did this exercise 1 already, okay, last week. We finished exercise 1, where these exercise are about nouns, okay, tentang kata kerja, okay. So it's about plurals and singular nouns, okay. So you guys did great on the first exercise. So let's continue with our exercise. Choose the correct plural for each of the words that follows, okay? Okay, let me pull this a little bit. Second. All right. So most of the regular nouns, usually you just need to add either s or es, but there are some exceptions, okay, as I explained on the previous meeting, okay. So let's try if you guys remember this, okay. I'll have Nani doing exercise 2, number 1. What is the plural for choice? Okay, Nani, are you there?
Yes, madam.
Okay, there you go. Can you see this screen?
Gimana ya?
Okay, hold on.
Jadi ini jawab apa ya? Who is the girl? Oh nih.
Okay, now first, can you see this the screen exercise 2? Yes. Okay, now this. Jadi ini kita coba cari kata benda plural. Plural itu dalam lebih dari satu ya, plural.
Nomor satu, number 1, Miss.
So, okay, what is the plural of the word choice? Choice dalam bahasa Indonesia kan ini ya, apa, pilihan ya. Okay, now pilihan bahasa satu pilihan. Now if 2 pilihan dalam bahasa Inggrisnya itu berbeda ya. Okay, now 1 choice and 2 blah blah blah.
Yeah.
Okay, what is it?
A and B the same, Miss ya.
Oh yes, it is. Okay, yes. A and B, yeah. Yes, it's the same. So what's your question? Your answer?
A or B.
Okay, yes. Both of them. Yes, it's a mistypo. Okay, so your answer is A and B. Yes, okay. Yes, so now let's check this, guys. Okay, the word choice ends with the E. Now, once the word is ending with the most of the time when it's ending with the vowel, you just need to add the alphabet S to turn that into plural. Okay, so one choice, two choices. Okay, excellent. Thank you, Nani.
Thank you, Miss.
All right, so let's do this. Number 2, what is the correct plural for box? One box, two, blah, blah, blah. Okay, let's see. I'll have Brandon do number 2.
Yes, Miss. Good evening, Miss.
Good evening, Brandon.
Box, C. Boxes.
All right, so now this box is the word box ended with the X. Once is X, CH, and then SH, okay? Now that's usually we just add the ES. So boxes. And then what is that, like no shoes. Shoes no like ox, no. Okay, so anything that let me show you guys. Okay, so it's more clearly. Let me see if that. Second. So just remember when it ends with the X, you're gonna add that ES. Okay, let me see. To tell you the truth, I don't really don't remember the rule, but I just remember the words like that. Okay, the H S SH Z or E. Okay, you just need to add the ES. Peaches. Okay, buses. All right, so that's what it is. The same. Okay. Okay, let's go back to the other page. Okay. All right, excellent. Thank you, Brandon. Okay, let's do number 3. Thief. Thief. One thief. Lot. Blah, blah, blah. Let's see. Let's see who didn't get a chance to do. Let me go back to, let's have Juni. Let's try number 1 and number 3, I mean. All right, there you go. One thief,
Yes, Miss.
lots of.
Number 3, thief, thieves, C.
C, yes, okay. So, any word that ends with the F, to turns into plural, you need to change the F to V. Thieves. One thief, lots of thieves. One handkerchief, two handkerchiefs. Okay, excellent. Thank you. And then let's have, let's see. I'll have Grace doing number 4. Army. One army, bunch of blah, blah, blah. All right. Number
B.
4, please.
B, Miss. Armies.
Armies. Okay. So usually with the one ending with the Y, you're gonna turn the Y to I plus the ES. All right, excellent. Thank you. Okay, let's have Shirley doing number 5. One owl, two blah, blah, blah. Shirley.
A.
Right.
Owls.
Okay. ABC. Okay. Owls, A, B, C. Okay, so Shirley C, 1 owl, 2 owls. So it's gonna be A, okay? Because the other ones, owlies, owls. All right. So the answer is number 1. You just need to add a S. All right. So let's do this. Exercise number 3. That was pretty easy for you guys. Okay, that's very good. You guys remember how to the rules, okay? All right. So what is the correct plural of the word? The words in brackets, okay? These, the words that we need to turn into plurals are the one in the bracket, that's person, okay? What is the plural of person? These blah, blah, blah are protesting against the president. Okay, let's have Priska try number 1. All right.
Yes, Miss. These persons are protesting against the president.
Okay. So the person turns into plural.
Persons.
Oh, okay. So actually, person, we have that's an exception. Okay. You know, when we have some words. Okay, let me pull that. Give me 1 sec. Okay, check this out. We have these are the we have. Okay, nouns, when we turns into plurals, there are like regular nouns, okay, which is following the rules, okay, like all these rules, just add s or es, or changing the y to I and then add the es, okay, those are regular nouns that follows the rules. Now beside the regular, we also have the irregular, that is doesn't the words doesn't follow the rules, okay. Okay, that's completely changed, different from the singular. Okay, let's see, we have some example here, numbers here. 1 child, 2 children, okay. 1 mouse, 2 mice. 1 foot, 2 feet, okay. And also for the person, okay, same thing with the person, like that. Okay, so the plural for person is not persons with the s. Okay, let me go back here. Okay, so actually for person, it's gonna turn into people.
Oh,
Okay,
okay, Miss.
yes, so it's gonna be people. Oh, so our answer is going to be people. 1 person, lot of people. Okay, would you like to read again, please?
Yes, Miss. These people are protesting against the president.
Okay, people, okay? Thank you. Please remember that, okay?
Okay, Miss.
All right. Now, number 2. The woman, okay? Blah, blah, blah over there want to meet, okay. Wants to meet the manager, okay? So, turns this word woman to plural. All right, let's have Angelina try number 2.
The women over there want to meet the manager.
Okay. So the plural is?
Women.
Okay, so with the E. Okay. Okay. 1 second. All right, so 1 woman, 2 women. Okay. 1 woman, 2 women. Okay. Okay, excellent. Thank you, Angelina. All right, this one, my child, hate eating pasta. Oh, okay. So, okay, this is plural. Okay, just remember it's plural, so there is no S on the verb. Okay, let's have. Now, what is the plural of child? One child. Two, blah, blah, blah. Let's have Sumarti.
Yes, Miss.
Number 3,
My
please.
children hate eating pasta.
A little bit louder, please.
My children. Can you hear me, Miss? Hello?
Yes.
My children.
Okay. So my
children
children.
hate eating pasta.
Oh, okay, perfect. So that's good. So this is considered as a irregular, okay? So our answer is my children hate eating pasta. Okay, thank you, Sumarti. Okay, let's continue with number 5. I am ill. My foot hurt. Okay, let's have Yen try number 4.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening, Yen. How are you doing?
I'm fine, thank you.
Welcome. Okay, let's try number 4, please.
I'm ill. My feet hurt.
Okay, so the foot turns into feet. All right. Perfect. Okay, so actually for this irregular, because there is no rule, and there are not that many in English. So by practicing, we're gonna be automatically remember all these words. Okay, guys. Okay. Thank you, Yan. There's a lot more the plurals that's different in actually in like Spanish and in Germany are more than the English. So English is pretty easy still for those plurals. Okay, let's check. Melissa, let's have Melissa try number 5. I brush my tooth 3 times a day. Okay, what is the plural for tooth? Tooth. Okay, Melissa.
Yes, Mom. Yes, Mom. Number 5.
5, please.
I brush my teeth 3 times a day.
Okay, teeth. Perfect. All right. So that's good. All right. Thank you, Melissa. Excellent. So the tooth turns into teeth. Okay, there you go. Now the student, okay, are doing the exercise right now. Okay, easy one. Let's have Benny try to answer number 6. Okay. Benny, would you like to try number 6? I'm going to unmute you.
Okay. The people are doing the exercise right now.
Number 6. The word is student. We turns the students into
pupil.
Stay the same. Okay. Now we don't need to change the student to a different words. We just turns the same words student to students. Yes, with the S only, right?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, so students is really easy. We just need to add the S on the back. Okay, so that's it. Turns into plural. The students are doing the exercise right now. All right. Now, let's do number 7. The fish I bought is in the fridge. Okay, easy one. Jennifer.
The fishes I bought is in the fridge.
I bought.
I bought is in the fridge.
All right. So how you turns the fish?
With es.
Es. All right. Okay. We're not on the same page about that. Okay, let's show you this. Okay, and our other friends also. Okay. Now check the rules number 9 right here on the screen. Some nouns are the same in singular and plural form. Example, fish, stay fish for plurals, equipment, and then equipment. Stay for either plural or singular, they stay the same.
Oh, I see. Okay, that's the same.
Also, we have like deer, the animal stay the same.
Oh, okay, Miss.
Welcome, remember, okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Let me see number 8. They are sending some men, blah, 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 to fix the roof. Let's see. Who else going to try? Let's have Yuki try number 8.
They are sending some men to fix the roof.
All right. Now, spell it for me, the man.
M-E-N.
Okay, M-E-N, yes. So, the man is similar to women, okay? So, but we still pronounce the same. The thing is for man. For a woman is pronounced a little bit different. One woman, two. Okay? And then for the men, still pronounce the same. So just gotta remember the A turns into E. That's it. Okay? Now let's do number 9. Okay. Housewife work more than 10 hours a day at home. Right? Let's see.
Besok lu ikut ini meeting nggak? Di TV nggak mau gua sama. Lu juga nggak ikut.
Okay, somebody's
Mana sekolah? Aduh, muka gue ternyata jerawatan. Lu mau dapet itu.
Okay, silent please.
Gue nggak malah kalau dapet diomongin dia makin.
Speakers on the back, okay? I'm not able to see, okay? All right. Excellent. Thank you. Okay, now number 9. I'll have JJ.
Tidak kalian punya sertifikat gitu.
Hold on, okay guys. I'm trying to.
Tadi inteknya lah kalian bersertifikat lah. Kalian kan semacam pelatihan gitu.
Give me one sec. Okay. Okay. Actually, I cannot find who's. Okay, there you go. Find it. All right. Okay, so number 9. Number 9, okay, what was that? Let me see if it's this still. JJ, let's try number 9. Most housewives work more than 10 hours a day at home. Housewife.
Okay, Miss, I try.
Sure.
Most housewives work more than 10 hours a day at home.
Okay. Now, try to spell the plural of housewife for me, please.
Housewives.
Okay, what do you mean? After E is Y?
W. Sorry, Miss. W.
Oh, okay, hold on. Okay. W
I F
I
E
E
I F E
I F E
yes S.
S. Okay. All right. Let's do this together. Okay. Now, guys. Okay. When we have the house stay the same, okay, because here the housewife itu bahasa Indonesianya ibu-ibu rumah tangga, okay. So now the wife, that's we focus on the wife, okay. Because there could be a word midwife, okay. Now this wife here, when we turns into plural, now we're gonna change this. V is gonna turn into F is gonna turn into V. Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Housewife.
Sorry.
Don't be sorry. We'll learn together here. Okay. And then now midwives. Okay. That's how. Now all the F is gonna turn into V. Okay. So all right, JJ, remember this. Okay.
Okay, Miss. Thank you, Miss.
You are very welcome. Okay. So that's the housewife. Now let's check on the number 10. Where did you put the knife? On the shelf. Okay, remember, okay? We have the F. Okay. Most of the F on the plurals is going to change. Okay, let's see. Let me see this already. Let's have Dini.
Hello, Miss.
Hi, Dini.
Yes.
Try number 10, please.
Where did you put the knives on the shelves?
All right. Let's spell it for me, the plural of knife.
K-N-I-V-E-S.
V-E-S, okay. Now, how
Yes.
about shelf?
Shelf is S-H-E-L-V-E-S also.
All right. So, knives. Remember, when we have the S, remember to mention that really hard S. Knives, shelves. All right. Perfect.
Shelf.
Yes. Thank you, Dini.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay. So, another one like case number 9, okay? F turns into V. Knives, shelves. Okay. Now let's continue number 10. 11. Goose. Blah, 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 like water. Goose like water. Let's have Shirley try number 11. Sorry. There you go.
Gooses.
Okay, gooses. Yes. Okay, let me see this explanation here. If there is, all right, there is going to be on the irregular actually. Okay, so for goose, it's going to turn. It's not gooses because that's it's gonna turn into goose geese. So it's GGES like that. Okay. All right. So geese like water. Okay. So it's considered irregular. Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Now let's Can let's have number 12 for this Angelina. Piano are expensive.
Pianos are expensive.
Okay. Just add the S.
Oh.
Yes. Okay, excellent. Now, policemen. Some policemen came to arrest him. Okay, let's have. Okay. Nani?
Yes.
Try number 13, please.
Some policemen came to arrest him.
Oh, okay. Police, not policeman, okay?
Yeah, policemen.
Yes. Now, can you spell the policeman for me? The plural?
P-O-L-I-C-E-N. E-N.
N. Okay. So just remember the word man, it's gonna turn into M-E-N. M-A-N turns into M-E-N. Doesn't matter what, most of them like women and then what do you call man, like that. Okay. So any words that using those word man, then it's gonna turn into that. Okay. Excellent. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Nani. Okay. Now, number 14. Where is my luggage? In the car. Okay. Let's have Lily try number 14.
Where is my luggage in the car?
Oh, okay, this word, the one in the bracket, we pronounce it as luggage.
Luggage.
Yes, for luggage, it's actually it stay the same for plural and then singular stay the same because it's considered as like okay, give me a second, let me see if there's an explanation here. It's a group, it's like a group words like that. Let's see if it's a group like this, like we have the equipment, okay, equipment and fish, it says the same. Now equipment, when we have the word equipment is going to be consist of different kinds of tools, right? So that's why equipment is stay the same, one equipment and then bunch of equipment, okay, the same, one luggage and bunch of luggage. Okay, so because it's considered as a group words, so it stay the same.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, remember
Miss.
pronounce it as luggage. Okay, luggage itu bahasa Indonesianya itu bagasi yang di kalau bawa tas yang itu ke airport itu. Okay, luggage. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Welcome. All right, so it's going to stay the same. Okay, now let's do exercise number 4. Let's see how many. Okay, actually this is a little bit different. maybe it's for chapter 2. We'll do this for chapter 2 because this is a compound nouns that I didn't actually there is no explanation on this chapter yet. So probably I'm going to postpone this exercise 4 until I find the explanation on the chapters as we learn the other chapters. Okay, so these are the compound nouns. Jadi ini merupakan gabungan beberapa kata kerja. Jadi ini ternyata belum belum ada penjelasan di chapter pertama, di bab pertama. Nanti saya lihat kalau nanti di bab-bab berikutnya ada penjelasan, nanti kita akan latihan yang ini lagi. Okay, so this chapter is gonna be just the easy one like that. Okay, we're gonna learn more about nouns on the second chapter also. So please remember whatever you guys already learned today. Okay, look, it's all this is gonna be more than one passerby, so it's gonna be combined two nouns, dua kata kerja. Okay, check in is more than one. Okay, so don't worry, we're gonna learn about this also. Okay, I just need to explain to you guys so it'll be more clearly to you guys, even though there are more other words that we don't learn here together, but you guys can do the plurals by yourself as long you have the explanation and the common sense of it. Okay, guys, so I think the chapter 1 is good until exercise 3. Okay, then next week we're gonna do the continue with chapter 2, which is talking about, let's check this out really quick, guys. Okay, chapter 2. A preview about chapter 2, an afternoon in the kitchen. Okay, baking. All right, so this is what we are going to learn together next week. Okay, please, you guys can check it out, the conversation before we start. You try to read it by yourself, all the dialogues, and then that way if for the long conversation like this, more than 2 sentences, you guys can do it with the intonation also once you already practice. Okay, there you go. It's pretty long. Okay, and then I'll explain more to you guys on the following week. Okay, guys. Okay, so I'll end the class today, guys. Okay,
Thank you, Miss.
joining the class. You're welcome.
Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss. See you next week, Miss.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Miss.
Miss.
Thank you, Miss.
Guys.
Good night.
See you next week.
Thank you, Miss.